How strong is the suction power of an edge cup? Edge cups come in 4 different sizes. I like to number them from 1 to 4, 4 being the largest cup. The largest cup is going to produce a suction power that is a lot greater than the smallest edge cup. Keep that in mind as you're treating different areas. Larger areas can stand more suction and more pressure. Smaller areas tend to be more intense feeling when you place a lot of suction on them. On a scale of 0 to 5, 5 being the strongest amount of suction, a large edge cup is going to produce a 5 out of 5 suction power. A smaller edge cup, the smallest edge cup, is going to produce at the most a suction power of about 2. And the edge cups in the middle, the 2 and the 3 sizes, are going to produce suction powers around a 3 or a 4. Keep that in mind as you add more cups to the body. Overloading the area with large cups at 100% of their suction power can be painful and uncomfortable to your client or to yourself. If you are placing cups on your body, squeeze them in the mid-range, and that will reduce the suction power from the edge cup. If you want a lot more suction from your edge cup, you're going to squeeze that cup as much as you can and then place it on the body. If you'd like less suction power from your edge cup, squeeze the cup less and then put it on your body. Play with the amount that you squeeze it. Make sure it's to your liking and it's not painful while the cup is sitting on your body.